For the final week of this course, we'll be scheduling presentations that will give you an opportunity to share some of the key points that we talked about throughout the semester with regard to the SIOP model or any other concepts related to the SIOP model, again, that we discussed and worked through in some of the activities and assignments that were applied for the course. So each of you will have an opportunity to present for 10 minutes some of the key aspects that pertain specifically to the context of your teaching practice. Your presentation should include key concepts from 3 general categories. First, the planning, so you want to try to cover something related to content and language objectives and how you would plan certain materials or even activities or even performance tasks, but thinking in terms of the planning stage. The implementation stage, the second general category that you need to address, might include some mention of interaction, either pacing, learning strategies, even scaffolding, to mention a few. And finally, assessment, mentioning something about formative or summative assessment. We discussed rubrics. You could share and discuss how you might implement a rubric. And when you conclude your 10-minute presentation, you'll have 5 minutes of a question and answer session to get feedback from your colleagues. So the idea is to record each of these sessions and then make them available here in Moodle so that others can share and view those even after the course if need be. So the day of the presentation, we will be accessing all of your content online. So try to use your individual wiki here to post the content. Now, some of you may want to include the content here within the wiki itself. You may also include a link in your personal wiki or your individual wiki to, let's say, a Prezi presentation or an online PowerPoint presentation using Office 365. You might even use a Sway. But the idea is that the day of the presentations that we go through the individual wiki here and select or go right to the content, whatever it is that you wish to share during your presentation. This is what we'll plan on doing for the final week starting on Monday. If you do have any questions, feel free to contact me via email, or obviously you can ask me in class.